Hello guys, welcome to another wonderful session of learning mathematics with prep class. I am BC, I am a prep class tutor. In this video, we are going to be solving Loyola Jesuit College Entrance Examination paper 3 from question 6 to question 10. Subscribe to our channel, like and make comments on our videos. Thank you. So the first question in this video, question 6, says a man is 45 years old while his daughter is 15 years old. What is the ratio of the man's age to that of his daughter? A is 45 ratio 15, B is 1 ratio 3, C is 3 ratio 1, D is 15 ratio 45. Okay, so how do we do this? So this is a ratio problem. What does ratio mean? Ratio compares value. It compares the value of one thing to another thing. Okay, so a colon is used as a ratio symbol. A colon is used as ratio symbol. So this is colon. So when you see this in mathematics, it means ratio. That is the symbol for ratio. All right, so ratio of man's age to his daughter's age. That's what we want to do. So that is what we want to do. Okay, so man's age ratio daughter's age. Can you see the colon here? So that is ratio. So the man is 45 years old and his daughter is 15 years old. So the ratio of the man's age to daughter's age is 45 ratio 15. Okay, so ratio can be expressed as division. So we can have 45 divided by 15. To solve a ratio problem, you have to reduce it to its lowest term by dividing by its common factor. So 45 is divisible by 5, 15 is also divisible by 5. So 5 is a common factor of 45 and 15. Okay, so 45 divided by 5 is 9, 15 divided by 5 is 3. So now we have 9 over 3. 9 over 3 can still be reduced to a simpler term. Okay, so we can divide 9 and 3 by 3. Okay, so 3 is a common factor of 9 and 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 45 over 15 expressed in its lowest term is 3 over 1. So we can also express division as a ratio. Division can be expressed as ratio. So 3 over 1 can be written as 3 ratio 1. So therefore, the ratio of the man's age to that of his daughter is 3 ratio 1. So it's very easy. Simply reduce to its simplest term. As simple as that. So which of the option is correct? C is the correct option. The ratio of the man's age to that of his daughter is 3 ratio 1. So the correct option is C. Check. Number 7. Express 905.17706 to the nearest whole number. Okay, so first of all, what kind of number is this? This is a decimal number. 905.17706 is a decimal number. Why do we call it a decimal number? Because it has a decimal point. So any number that has a decimal point is a decimal number. And in a decimal number, you have two parts. You have the whole number part and the decimal part. So in 905.17706, 905 is the whole number part. 17706 is the decimal part. So we are asked to express this decimal number to the nearest whole number. So to do this, draw a line after the whole number. 905 is the whole number, so draw a line after the whole number. Then look at the next digit after the decimal point. So the next digit is 1. If the digit is 4 or less, that is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, keep the whole number as it is. But if the digit is 5 or more, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, increase the whole number by 1. So let's look at the next digit after the decimal point. That is 1. So 1 is the digit after the decimal point. So we leave the whole number as it is. So 905.17706 is equal to 905 when you express it to the nearest whole number. So that's as simple as that. option is B, 905. So when we express 905.17706 to the nearest whole number, what we would get would be 905. So the correct option is B. Check. Number 8. An item was bought for 9,805 naira and later sold at a profit of 61%. How much was it sold? Okay, so the first thing is to bring out the information given in this question. An item was bought for 9,805 naira. So this is the cost price. The cost price is the amount the item was bought. So the cost price is 9,805 naira and later sold at a profit of 61%. So the percentage profit is 61%. How much was it sold? So we are asked to find the selling price. So to get the selling price, we have to add the cost price and the profit. But we don't know the profit. The profit is not given. So we have to find out the profit. The profit can be found out using the formula percentage profit multiplied by cost price divided by 100. Okay, so the percentage profit is 61% multiplied by the cost price, which is 9,805 naira divided by 100. So let's multiply 61 by 9,805 naira. We can do that here. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. 1 multiplied by 9 is 9. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. Write 0, carry 3. 6 multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. 6 multiplied by 8 is 48. Write 8, carry 4. 6 multiplied by 9 is 54. 54 plus 4 is 58. So write 58. Now let's add this together. This is 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 3 is 11. Write 1, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Write 8, carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Then this is 5. So the answer is 598,105. So the product of 61% and 9,805 naira is 580 is 598,105 naira divided by 100. If we divide this by 100, we would have 5,981 naira 5 kobo. The profit is 5,981 naira 5 kobo. So now that we have found the profit, we can now find the selling price. Selling price is cost price plus profit. So the cost price is 9,805 plus 5,981 naira 5 kobo. So that would give us 15,786 naira 5 kobo. So let's express this to the nearest naira. So we would have 15,786 naira. So the item was sold for 15,786 naira. So the correct option is D, 15,786. Now let's move on to question number 9. Evaluate 277.55231 correct to 4 decimal places. So we have to correct this number to 4 decimal places. So this is a decimal number, right? Because it has a decimal point. Decimal numbers are numbers that have a decimal point. Okay, so in a decimal number, there are two parts, the whole number part and the decimal part. So in 277.55231, the whole number part is 277, while the decimal part is 55231. And we are asked to evaluate this decimal number to 4 decimal places. So the number of digits in the decimal point of the decimal number gives the number of decimal places. So all you have to do to know the number of decimal places is to count the number of digits after the decimal point or the numbers in the decimal part of the decimal number. So how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 277.55231 has 5 decimal places. So to correct to 4 decimal places, draw a vertical line after the 4th decimal place. So the 4th decimal place is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you draw a vertical line there. And then look at the next digit. If the digit is 4 or less, keep the previous digit as it is. But if the digit is 5 or more, increase the previous digit by 1. So 1 is the digit after the vertical line. So we keep the previous digit as it is because it is 4 or less. It is 1, right? Okay, so 277.55231 correct to 4 decimal places is 277.5523. So the correct option is A, 277.5523. Now the last question in this video, question 10. Express 2168 as a Roman numeral. So the first thing we need to do, all the you need to learn Roman numerals in the Arabic numerals. Okay, so M means 1000, D is 500, C is 100, L is 50, X is 10, V is 5, I is 1. Okay, so we can break down 2168 to 2000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 8. So now, what is 2000? Remember, M is 1000. So to write 2000, that would be 2M. M plus 100. 100 is C. So let's write C. Plus 60. So we don't have 60 here, but we have 50. 50 is L, then X is 10. So let's have L plus X. That is 50 plus 10 to make 60 plus 8. So we don't have 8, but we have V and we have I. So V is 5, I is 1, I is 1, I is 1. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 8. So we have MM plus C plus LX plus VIII. So 2168 written as a Roman numeral is MMCLXVIII. So that is the correct answer. So it's very easy. So the correct option is A, MMCLXVIII. So that's the correct option. Option A. Check. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a whole lot. Don't forget to like and comment on our videos. Also, subscribe to our channel because this is where you can get videos like this. Alright, so till I come your way next time, bye for now.